And just like that, we are back. I'm super excited to announce that I will be traveling again full-time in my Nissan Rogue with 4 cats. Yes, 4 cats. As many of you guys know who have been following my journey for quite some time, I took a year off so I could focus on what I really wanted out of life. In that year off, I ended up opening a business, a kava lounge, and then I adopted 2 additional cats to my family. And then I realized, wait a minute, hold up. I realized after a year of not traveling, my soul is meant to be on the road. That is where I'm most happiest, that is where I feel the most free, and financially, it is where I am most abundant. I know many of you guys might think it's absolutely bonkers to give up a home, to give up a business, to give up a community in which you have gotten to know in a year. But when the soul calls, you have to answer. So now I'm making my dreams come true yet again. I also know that many of you guys might think, an SUV and 4 cats? I don't think so. But this conversion was completely designed with them in mind. It is also big enough for all 5 of us. We do plan on getting a van before summer of 2025, but for now we are working with what we have. I'm excited to share our lives and journey with you guys yet again. Thank you for all of the love and support, and remember, it is never too late to live life to the fullest. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos, more fluffy cats, and more adventures to come.